Hi, my name is Jim Kane. I'm an environmental health and safety director with Turner Construction Company. I'm also a retired FDNY firefighter. In the June 2025 edition of Fire Engineering magazine, Chief Jerry Tracy and I co-author an article titled Buildings Born Sick and Dying. In this article, I share some of the contextualized knowledge and boots on the ground insight that I have acquired during my career in the construction industry. I hope you find value in it. Thank you and stay safe.